Hello, Chef Daniel viewers. You may have remembered that in my ravioli video, I told you that sometimes I would do short snippets of videos where it'll just be like a kitchen gadget review or an easy recipe. Well, welcome to the first episode of Chef Daniel, Easy Recipes Snippet Edition. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, me and my sous chef Hopi here are going to make a really easy breakfast sandwich that you can make with any ingredients at home. And we're gonna do it in time lapse, so stick around.